Hey, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Tracy and I am a girl with plans. In today's video, we're going to be doing a black and white spread in my fitness planner for the week of June the 12th. All right, guys, so I recently did a black and white spread for my social media planner, and I absolutely love the way it turned out. And I've been doing a lot of colorful stuff in my fitness planner. And because I have like these stickers that I got off Temu, I was like, you know what? Let's try to do a black and white spread in my fitness planner just to kind of change things up, maybe take a little bit of break. Now, what I will say is when I was like looking through what I had, because I've been trying to use like a lot of my classic Happy Planner fitness stickers, I didn't have as many decorative stickers. In black. I have a lot of quotes and stuff like that, but not as much decor. So I'm going to use probably some of my Temu stickers, but I did, and there's some other stickers on here that have nothing to do with fitness. I'll try to fold those over just not to distract you. But I got these stickers that I got off of Canva and then printed on my Cricut. So we're going to use these. And then I've been playing around on my Cricut a lot. And then I made new trackers for my Apple Watch, and I did these hexagons. I'm toying around with it. The way I did it, it made the text in here blurry. So I've got to figure out how to do it a little bit better. But I'm going to use these so that way I can decide whether or not I want to print more like this or switch things up or whatever. Testing things out. And then of course I pull black boxes, some check boxes, and then my hydrate stickers. So that way we're not just taking forever to do this. Now, how are we going to set this up, guys? Oh, I also have washi. I'm kind of leaning toward this one because I haven't used this one. I haven't used this one either, but I'm thinking I might lean toward this one. This one isn't bad either. And then I have this. I have more too, but those were the ones I pulled. All right, so last week we went a little different. And I did my workout boxes here, my Apple Watch stats boxes here, decor here, and then my bullet points here for how much weights I lift, how far I walk, things like that. Now I don't know how, it's like I'm trying to like change things up as I go along. But these stickers are a bit large, and I did not add a border around these like I had intended to. I wish I would have done that, but I did not do it. So these are super, super delicate. Hope I don't like rip anybody's hair. So what I could always do, some of these are going to be a little bit taller anyway. Let me see. Let me stick her on my desk. Because what I could always do is use washi as like a ground. Okay, I don't like this. Now that I've unraveled it, I don't like it. It looked different when it was raveled. I don't know why. I don't know if I'm like, this might be too thick too. Because what I was planning on doing, now this is like complicated, guys. Shouldn't be that complicated. So what I was planning on doing was like doing my stats. So like if I did this, I kind of would like to try to change things up. Like I said, I'm trying different things about like where I place my decor, where I do other things. I definitely don't need all these boxes, but I need all the room. Does that make sense? Like I don't need all the check boxes, but I do need all the space beside it to write all of my, I guess, like how much I'm lifting and stuff like that. Because, you know, each body part is a different weight. Well, for the most part, not always. All right, so I'm trying to leave a little bit of space because I know my water trackers are going to probably be there. All right, so let me see, how am I going to do this? So if I do circles and then squares, I think that'll work, right? Okay. The only problem is I think I'm going to have to try some of these girls because some of these are like, I might have to like look and see what thin washi I have. Some of this did not cut very well on my Cricut. This is my first time using images from Canva. I just signed up for Canva Pro. I have been using the free Canva. So I had access to a lot more. So yeah, that'll work. I think that'll work. My tall girls, I have to go in the middle to try to go in between the dates, but that will work. But I am going to need smaller washi. And remember when I said I had a lot of black washi? Yeah. So I don't think that one's going to work. Because I think because I'm going for black and white, I think that'll be a little off. Now these will work. Can always do this. Maybe something like that. Or I can do this. And then it'll be like just this. I'm thinking because of, for some reason, I'm thinking this, the striped one is a little bit better. All right, we're gonna see how this is gonna turn out. This might end up being one of my least favorite spreads or one of my favorite spreads because I like black and white spreads, but I'm not sure how I'm gonna love it in my fitness planner. But we're going to see. All right, so how many girls do I have? Okay, I have like 3 that are low and 4 that are tall. So like that maybe. All right. Yeah, that was, I knocked off a little bit more of her head than I had intended to. All right, so now I'm going to just go ahead and put my hydration stickers down. Okay. So these are all done. These are all done. Now what I have left to do, I have quotes and stuff. So I have these boxes. And then I have these, what are these, octagons? I'm almost thinking because these need to be bigger. So this is me testing out, and these are way too small. Okay, but we're gonna put those there. And these here, again, to cover up the gray. All right, guys. So as you see, the boxes do have colors on them, and we are trying to keep this black and white. So I pulled these. I've never used them. I think I've used some of them when I was like making headers for my columns, but we are going to do this. There we go. This is very, very bland, isn't it? But you know, hey, I wanted to do this. That's what we're going to do. So I have these are obviously now too big. The only thing I hate about these is you can definitely, like with the white, it just stands out. A little bit more than I like. The other thing I do have, I know I was trying to stay away from always using Live Love Posh, but I think I might have to, because I can use some of these. I have these as well. So I have like another girl lifting, but I don't want that now. Now the other thing I was thinking, just see, let me just make sure there's no black ones in here. I don't think there is. Icons. And I can obviously use the washi tape. Like I can use the washi tape here. And then of course I could always do it at the bottom too. And of course I was just looking, and the quote at the bottom of this page says, "Color your world." It says, "Color your world with kind words." But I just think that's ironic. I did not notice that before I decided to do this. I was just playing in Canva and on the Cricut, and I was like, oh, I've been talking about doing a black and white spread, so let's go ahead and do it. And now, you know, as soon as I print them, of course, just because I printed them didn't mean I have to use them right now. But yeah, once you print them, you get that urgency to want to use them. Just like when you get a brand new sticker book and you want to hurry up and use them. Same thing. All right. So I think this is actually kind of cute. It really is. All right. I need something here. All right, you guys. What do you think? I like it. I think I liked how it turned out. I definitely am trying a couple of new things in this spread. So basically what I'm trying is I added the decor at the top. So that's something I hadn't done before. So yeah, trying that out. Trying out my own stickers that I made in Canva and then printed on my Cricut. So yeah, I did that. Did some new Apple Watch stats trackers. Definitely need to work on those a little bit more. But like I said, trial and error. And I already have a whole page printed with different ones. So I will be using them all because I do not waste stickers, especially when I'm printing them myself. Because ink is not cheap. So that's what we have. I like it. It's definitely different for my fitness spread, but I do like it. I don't know that I'm going to be doing too many black and white spreads, especially like in my fitness planner in the future, because it was kind of hard. But I do like how it turned out, and it'd be a nice change from like all the color that I've had in the previous weeks. All right, guys. So if you enjoyed that video, please let me know by hitting that like button. And if you're not already subscribed, I would appreciate it if you would consider subscribing to my channel. And I want to give a big thank you to all of my returning subscribers. All right, guys, that is all I have for now. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video. And I hope you have a good rest of your day, evening, or night. Until next time, bye.